Watch me play and decorate with my new slime kit. So many colors, wow. This one smells like chocolate. Smell, let's add these cute sprinkles. It's giving cosmic brownie, time for charms. Cute as heck, my 12-year-old self would be screaming. On to the next, this one smells like pineapple. Using the other cute sprinkles this time. OMG, so freaking cute. I'll name this one Tropical Mermaid. I decided to make a Neapolitan ice cream one. So good. Get this kit right now, I love every second of it.